Hey, Primordial team. This is Henry, the founder and CEO of Undecided College Planning. I wanted to record a demonstration of our prototype we use for release planning and our roadmap. I think it gives a really good idea of what we're building and the product velocity of our product. So, thanks for watching, and I'll spend a few minutes walking through our roadmap. The first thing a user will see when they come into Undecided is their college list, something that means a lot to students. From the get-go, they can categorize different colleges as a safety school, a match school, or a reach school to help them manage a balanced college list. The key here, though, is that each college that they add has a workspace. So if we look at this college workspace, we can see outstanding to-dos you have that we've automatically added from the app or that students can add themselves. So you can add a new to-do to a specific college, and then you can set a reminder for that to-do. So let's say I want to submit the application and I want to be reminded every month, or let's say I want to be reminded on a specific day. So let's say June 17th, confirm, and now I have a new application reminder on a specific date. And you can also, you may have seen, set a recurring reminder. A lot of research shows that recurring reminders help students complete more psychologically challenging things or bigger hurdles like applying to scholarships or applying to FAFSA. Those recurring reminders help them stay on track for challenging to-dos. Another major thing to point out here is this button to invite a parent or guardian to the college workspace. In our user interviews, we discovered there's a huge divide between parents and students when students are planning for college. Parents don't know what colleges their kids are interested in. It's usually the parents doing all this college planning and the students in the background. So we've designed this to foster collaboration between the two in a really non-intrusive way. And this also allows us as a company to pull in parents as a potential source of revenue and pay the monthly subscription for their students. So we're really excited about that. You have a college workspace for each of your colleges. You can also see your guided plan and access to your advisor on your home screen. So let's jump over to guided plan. And from here, we've designed this as a tool similar to Duolingo, where you can follow a journey to learn about the different parts of the college experience. And each of these activities are different things. So the guided journals will help you understand yourself better to make more holistic college decisions. So clarify your value system or understand your interests better, set personal goals, and envision your college life. You can also do basic education like what is college fit, what are the different types of colleges, or what are professional schools, vocation and trade schools, or just adding colleges to your list and classifying them as reach, match, and safety school. I mentioned, and one of really the core values of the app is to help students be more self-aware. Students also mentioned their stress because they're uncertain with the future. So we have activities that are research backed to help students understand themselves better. But let's look at this guided journal of ideal future. So we help them create a vision for themselves so they can see what the future might look like. We ask them about how important academics are, or what's their ideal social life look like to them when they get to college. What type of friends do they want to have? What's a future they want to avoid when they get to college socially? So we help them identify these values and decrease stress around it. And then once they finish, they get a congratulatory screen where they can send us feedback. They can share this activity with a friend and just help to reinforce that behavior as a congratulations for finishing the activity. Going over to Discover, the vision for the product is there is a multitude of areas that students have questions about. And we can design an entire catalog of activities that students can search for to find information about colleges and engage with the college process. Um, right now, students are just searching Google and they're just reading blogs about all different types of things and from different people. So we realize one of the issues is there's not a centralized place to manage the college experience, and that's what Undecided is planning to become. So, there's so many things to learn about, like take opportunities other than college. I never knew about studying abroad in college. Students don't take advantage of the potential relationships with professors or in honors college, or they don't pursue undergraduate research. There's so much more. Students also have questions about when it comes to paying for college. Like, how do they find scholarships and when scholarships or student loans are working in college and FAFSA? All of these things are things students have so many questions about. Like if we take how to find scholarships, we can have just a simple learning exercise. And we're currently using these to tell them, finding scholarships is best if you searched your local county database for scholarships. So we have a catalog of these. Some of them can be premium. So, if you want to learn more about writing Ivy League admissions essays, you need to subscribe, and then we walk them through the payment process. But the idea is to give students a centralized location and to make this app accessible for everyone. Lastly, on the advisor screen, in the user interviews, it came up all the time where students don't have an authoritative figure to talk to about college planning and they feel very alone. So at the top here, we built a AI college advisor that's been really effective, and we trained it on a large language learning model where students have an instant college advisor in their pocket. We've nicknamed it Desi. But they can also talk to a real person. So if they do subscribe, and they can meet with a real college advisor and just have a chat with them in person to answer questions. And we found this really effective at reducing stress. They can have a year payment, a monthly payment, and this is a similar workflow we converted our previous users last year on the first version of the app. And once you subscribe, you get access to all of the different content, the advisor, and eventually being able to work with your parents as well. So that's the demonstration of our roadmap. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch. It ended up being a lot longer than I expected, but it's a really complicated process, both psychologically and practically, to navigate college admissions. And the app needs to reflect a lot of the depth that goes into these decisions. But thanks so much. We would love to have Primordial invest in our company and keep bringing this product to life and helping hopefully millions of students make great college decisions and have effective education careers. So thanks again, and we can't wait to hear from you.